Mario Deleche, and I'm pinch hitting for our founder and CEO, Martin Toha, who just had his fourth child today at 2 a.m. this morning. I run our financial institutions vertical here at Array. So we're a B2B2C financial wellness platform, providing embeddable credit monitoring and identity theft protection tools for retail and SMB customers. What we do is, as your customers engage with our platform, we're able to uncover intent data and credit history, which powers our built-in offers engine to help you sell more bank products. Our mission is to basically democratize credit data and give you back the tools and resources you need to keep your customers engaged while also increasing wallet share. The easiest way to think about us is we're essentially a white-labeled, fully customizable Credit Karma meets LifeLock combined as a service for banks and credit unions. We aggregate and standardize credit data and live either in your mobile and online banking experience and or as a standalone website off your homepage that can be used to drive new customer acquisition. And while we just started Array a little over a year and a half ago, we've actually been doing this similar services through a former sister company, direct to consumer, for over 11 years. This experience in market has allowed us to create advanced integrations with all three credit bureaus, giving us huge economies of scale, both in terms of pricing and product offering. And the proof is in the pudding. We currently have over 110 customers, mainly digital first fintech, since that's where we started, but banking is a rapidly growing segment for us. We're doing over 25 million in annual recurring revenue with a trajectory to double that very quickly. And we have over 90 employees, half of which are stacked against engineering. And so with all that said, I know I speak for the entire Array team when I say we're really excited to be part of this program and look forward to learning more about each and every one of your institutions so we can be helpful to your businesses. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Jeff Hendren, and I'm the Chief Revenue Officer of Atomic Financial. We are a B2B2C company based out of Salt Lake City, Utah. We have approximately 45 employees, and we have built the infrastructure enabling consumers to connect to and use their payroll accounts. We're on a mission to help those most financially vulnerable people in society. And our first step in this mission is working with financial institutions to allow consumers to take control of the data and the payment distribution within their paycheck or payroll system. Our solution allows consumers to automatically update the destination of their paycheck for direct deposit and or provide income and employment data easily to a financial institution to access additional products, thereby providing equal and greater access to these same financial products to all consumers. We have built connectivity to 165 plus payroll systems and over 39,000 employers, covering 50% of the US workforce. We currently have 35 active clients, and we work with 10 of the top 25 neobanks in the US. These clients we're working with today are seeing anywhere between a 50 and 75% increase in their direct deposits from their customers. In our current efforts, we are working with traditional banks and partners like FIS to provide these services to an even greater number of consumers. We look forward to this opportunity with you and want to thank the Venture Center and FIS for this opportunity to participate. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark Hartley, and I'm the founder and CEO of Bankify, a UK company based out of Manchester. We embed banks at the heart of a business customer's life by transforming the mobile and internet banking channel from something that's purely transactional to somewhere where the business runs and operates from. We add invoicing, accounting, cash forecasting, and working capital optimization into those channels to sit alongside payments and transaction histories. We do this because, according to Cornerstone Advisors, $62 billion of existing bank revenues and a further $370 billion of new revenue are at risk from the likes of Shopify, PayPal, Stripe, Square, and the accounting package vendors. They offer a holistic experience to the small business that removes the need for a bank's internet and mobile banking channel, and so you risk losing your customer relationships and revenues. We want to make sure you, the banks, retain the customer relationship as well as those revenues, and you don't leave it on the table for your competitors. I'd like to thank FIS and the Venture Center for selecting us to be part of the program, and we look forward to working with you over the next 3 months. Thanks very much.
My name is Ron Dennis, and I'm the Director of Client and Product Development for Banklabs, Participate. I'm here to introduce you to Banklabs and our newest product, Participate, which is a participation loan automation tool. Banklabs is based here in Little Rock, and we also have an office in Dallas. We created the BankLabs brand in January of 2016 when we launched our construction loan management tool, Construct, and we now have over 140 bank clients across the US. Our founder and CEO, Mike Montgomery, has deep roots with FIS, as he was an early employee at Systematics and was a president at Alltel Information Services, which was the forerunner to FIS. Participate is designed to automate the very tedious and manual participation process, both on the front end when selling a new participation and on the back end once those loans are closed. First, Participate improves efficiency by putting both originators and participants on the same platform. You can share loan details, documents, and transaction history with your downstream partners, and Participate automatically sends email notifications whenever there's an update. Participate also speeds time to market by making selling participations faster and easier to do. Just pick your partners, and the patented automated workflow handles the rest, including electronic NDAs, non-competes, and document exchanges. As a result of the efficiencies and improved time to market, Participate is being used not only for traditional participations, but also as a balance sheet management tool to sell existing credits. It is also giving banks the ability to expand their universe of trading partners, make more loans, and increase fee income. Thank you for your time. We're very excited about working with FIS and the Venture Center, and look forward to meeting you over the next few months.
Hi there, I'm Justin Wickett, CEO and co-founder of Inform based in San Francisco. Informed automates the consumer loan verification process for lenders using AI. Our software as a service is used by the nation's largest financial institutions, including Ally Bank and Westlake Financial, to fund in real time with greater accuracy when applicants cannot be verified using traditional data sources like Equifax's The Work Number. Our AI analyzes credit applications and verifies all supporting documents in loan jackets, including promissory notes and retail installment sales contracts, titles and appraisal guides, as well as consumer permission data from Finicity and Plaid. Each month, we automate the verifications for over 100,000 applicants, turning documents and data into decisions in real time based on each financial institution's policies and procedures. We do so with 99% accuracy, and we regularly backtest our performance against over 25 million records, making up the contributory database that we maintain for the industry. On behalf of the team at Informed, I want to thank the FIS, the Venture Center, and the state of Arkansas for including us in this year's FinTech Accelerator. We just couldn't be any more excited for the next 12 weeks to come.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Holden, and I'm the CEO of Longgame. And Longgame is a mobile game that sits on top of your banking products and teaches customers more about personal finance, but also rewards them for saving, spending, and direct depositing with your bank. We are definitely not your typical financial literacy app. We are all about making this a fun game. And we use some of the most powerful reward loops from mobile gaming. And we also use prize link savings to drive action with your customers. So because we use prize link savings, customers can win cash and cryptocurrency in our app for saving with your bank. And it's just a ton of fun. We focus on millennial and Gen Z customers, and we do two primary things for your bank. One is we do customer acquisition. So if you're looking to grow accounts with the millennial and Gen Z demographic, we are a great channel for that. We give you high intent customers. They're here to save. They're here to play long game. Second, we can help to increase value of your existing customers. And so banks brand our app, they put their content into our app, and customers are rewarded to save more on top of your bank account. So it's a great digital strategy. It's actually really easy to try. We don't require technical integration with your bank. We just set up an app instance for you, and then customers log in using Plaid. So if you want to learn more, find us at longgame.co or in both app stores. And thank you so much for listening today.
Hi, my name is Hugh Shannon, and I'm an account director at OakNorth. We're based out of New York, and we enable credit intelligence in commercial lending and credit risk through a technology-led, data-driven enterprise solution. At OakNorth, we enable banks to better address the financing needs of entrepreneurs operating in the commercial and lower middle market space by gaining a complete view of the borrower, including a comprehensive forward-looking view of future potential performance. Key to what we do is providing this forward-looking view of commercial credit risk. This allows you to identify and act on credit risk 6 to 12 months sooner. We enable this forward-looking view with a granular approach to creating subsector specific scenarios, which can then be applied to give you greater insights into your borrowers and portfolio. This then allows OakNorth to provide you with credit intelligence, providing automated insights for your bank executives, underwriters, portfolio managers, relationship managers, and others. We're really excited to participate in the FIS Fintech Accelerator and sharing how we can help banks incorporate a forward-looking view into their commercial lending. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sohaib, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Rails. We're housed out of Toronto, Canada. We plug into all ERP and accounting systems to help banks and financial institutions understand their small, medium enterprise with fast and easy access to their accounting data. There are 30 million businesses in the United States, which really means that there are 30 million different accounting data sets that banks and financial institutions have to understand for the purposes of underwriting, cash flow forecasting, and other use cases. It's definitely a big and messy data set. Rails actually helps banks make sense of this data set by charting it to a universal chart of accounts and normalizing it using our normalization engine. We help companies like M&T Bank to make sense of this data. In addition to that, we also provide advanced analytics to make decisions better, faster, and easier for the purposes of underwriting, cash flow forecasting, onboarding, and wealth management. Thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you over the course of next 3 months.
Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining. I'm Charles Allman, co-founder and CEO of TaxStatus. Pulling IRS tax information is a pain. We created TaxStatus as a simple tool to give banks and credit unions an easier way to get the IRS records they need. TaxStatus collects all current and historical IRS records, so banks and credit unions can then download any transcript they need with a simple click of a button. TaxStatus goes a step further by reading the transcripts and summarizing all the essential tax information in a beautifully organized report that shows official wage and income data, all compliance and collection activity, and current tax lien balances, which, as you know, were pulled from credit files back in 2018. So now getting tax records is simple. Taxpayer consent is obtained electronically using e-signatures, and the TaxStatus system even verifies that the Social Security number or business EIN actually matches what the IRS knows to be true and accurate. And lastly, should any bank or credit union want to stay current and keep an eye on things, they can activate IRS account monitoring and be notified of important changes or tax filings as they occur. So no more chasing down tax returns from customers. We are really excited to work with banks and credit unions and hope to help them get tax data as easily as possible. Thanks again.
Hi, I'm Yamini. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Waymo. Waymo helps improve sales productivity. Most salespeople do not like their CRMs. At best, they use it to fetch their customer information, but the CRM is not where they're planning or updating their activities and engagement. Now, without visibility into on-ground activity and behavior levels, it's very tough to move the needle on sales outcomes. Waymo solves this by being a personal sales assistant. We do 3 things. Firstly, we capture all sales activities and engagement, be it calls, meetings, face-to-face visits, or Zoom sessions. We do this without the need for manual data entry. Second, we identify what's working for your top sellers. Using this information, we do the third bit, which is push a bunch of nudges on a real-time basis to every seller on things they could do differently. For example, if you have 3 hours on your calendar, here are 5 calls you should be making. Here is a good time to check in with this customer because it's been 3 months since they bought your first product and might be a good checkpoint to pitch a cross-sell or get a reference, and so on and so forth. Right. Today, Waymo works with about 60 financial institutions, banks, and insurers across the world, including customers like Berkshire Hathaway, Aflac, etc. Almost 200,000 users use Waymo today, and we've been able to improve sales outcomes by 15 to 20% within 6 to 18 months of starting our deployment. If sales productivity is a top of mind challenge for you, do talk to us. Thank you.